as I mentioned, Radha Bhagavan Brajesh Chaitanya Sri Vrindavan. We have one goal in mind, Goloka Vrindavan, one Ishtadev, Radha and Krishna. And how do we worship them? Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajabadu Vir Sakalpita. Our sadhana, our practice, our method of worship is Gopi Bhav, Raganuga Bhakti, Mandri Bhav, sadhana. Or maybe we may be in some other Braj Bhav. But as far as Gaudiya is, primarily is Gopi Bhava Angikara. Lord Chaitanya came to teach this Raganuga Bhakti, and especially wants everyone to Angikara, maybe same in Hindi, Angikara. He wants everyone to accept Gopi Bhav and follow this Raganuga sadhana path of Mandri Swarup Upasanam. Mandri Swarup Upasanam, Upasanam, the method of worship. Upasak and Upasanam, and Upasya. Upasya is the object of worship. And Upasanam is the process and practice of worship. And Upasaka is the sadhak, you or me. So it's very clear, this verse. That's why this verse is the motto for Gaudiya Vaishnavism, Radha Bhagavan Brajesh Chaitanya. Everything else is eliminated by this. Everything else. We're not interested in Jagannath Bali, Subhadra, all these other forms. Radha and Krishna Vrindavan. And what's Sthai Rati? Madhura Rati. And how do we worship? In the Gopi Bhav. And what is the proof and proof and praman for this tattva and philosophy? Shrimad Bhagavatam Jnanam Amalam Paranam. That's the third line. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Na Anyata. Says mati means consideration, intelligence, matam, opinion, idea. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Prabhu is matam, anyata. And I don't care for any other idea.